everyone! Today we are going to draw a big blue whale. I'm going to go ahead and start with my whale's face. Now for the face, we're going to make it kind of a flat line. It's going to be a little curvy too. We're going to go up and then we're going to go all the way around with a big slope down for my whale's tail. I know that was a really big shape to draw all at once, and it's okay if you need some time to practice. I needed to draw that a couple of times too. So from here, we're gonna draw a nice line, pretty much almost straight across, but I'm gonna end about right here. Now I'm gonna end here because I'm gonna add one fin of my big whale. And then from here, I think what I'm actually gonna do is start with the very top of the tail. So I'm gonna draw the very top of the back tail here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the back. So I'm gonna go about right here. And then I'm gonna draw the bottom of my back tail. There. Now I'm gonna add in a couple more details. I'm gonna add in my back fin. Just gonna go about here. So this one is going to be smaller in size, just because this one's closer. And then I'm going to add a nice big belly to my whale. So I'm going to draw the belly just like this, a little wavy line just across the bottom. Now for my whale, I'm gonna draw a nice big smile. And then I think for the eye, I know we normally do cute little googly eyes, things like that, but I think for this whale, we just need to draw one plain circle. Now whales are mammals, which means they need to breathe in air. So let's go ahead and draw a little blowhole for our whale. And then we're gonna draw some water coming out of it. So just some curly lines out from our blowhole here. And then just some little water droplets. Now let's go ahead and color our whale. I'm gonna draw my whale blue, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of some gray detail here, as well as in the air and the water coming out. Feel free to go ahead and fast forward through the coloring part if you'd like. Now I'm gonna take my gray marker and I'm gonna color the belly of my whale. Now I'm gonna take my blue marker again, and I'm going to kind of draw the outlines of the water, but I'm actually also going to take the gray marker and do the same. I hope you see what I'm talking about. Okay, I've done this with the blue to indicate the water. Now I'm going to do the gray a little bit just to indicate the air. Now I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to choose the thicker side to polish up my outlines. And there you have it, a big, friendly blue whale. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.